Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new video on the crypto we actually haven't covered in quite some time, and that's Hedera hash graph, or Hbar. Excuse me for the sound outside. There's some sort of a huge lawnmower. Wow. But alright, so we'll take a look at Hedera. We'll do a full update. We'll do some Elliot wave theory as well, and then hopefully, in the end, you're optimally prepared for everything that can come from here. There's also some news I wanted to share about Hbar, which we will start with. But before we dive into Hedera at all, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. So if that's something for you, if you want to become a better trader while also making some profits, then check out those links. But alright, now to Hbar. So the big news is actually, like, it's not even that big of news, I think, per se. But what we're seeing right now is that there was a CBDC, so a central bank digital currency, natively issued on Hedera. And that's interesting because one of the main things that Ripple does has also to do with central banks and CBDCs, right? So they provide services in that sector. So that Hedera now also, has some breakthroughs and some news in that could actually create some sort of correlation between Hedera and XRP. And we've seen what the correlation between XLM or Stellar has been and XRP, and what that has meant for XLM themselves. So that's pretty interesting. I think that's a part of the reason why we got this move. But apart from that, you can also see a beautiful structure right here that you had this, like back in the 10th of June, we had this kind of structure, these 5 waves, and then arguably, it's a bit of a weird one, but arguably we had a correction wave right here, down to this level right here at 4.6, 4.5 cents, consolidated a little bit in the weekend, I think 2 weeks ago. And then from there, we actually started a new wave, which arguably right now we are at the end of the 5th wave. When I made this analysis, it wasn't clear yet. We were still at around 6 cents. But it does look right now like we've actually found some sort of a top, and that we are getting into some sort of an ABC correction again. So the big question then is well, all right, what will that ABC correction mean? Because right now we're then in the A wave. I think it's actually pretty likely that we'll find some support right here between 5.7 and 5.6 cents. Get some sort of support up to 5.9, perhaps even 6, even though that's quite a big wave up in the correction. And I think altogether, well, like the biggest support level, if we really take a look at this structure, the biggest support level would be around 5.3 cents. All right, so that's this support level right here. It actually is a technical support level, but it's a bit of a big pullback right here. Now, I must say that from this top we made on the 25th of June, we also pulled back about 22%. And if we go off of this top right here and we move it down 22%, that's a little bit much. But so if we take a look at it from that angle, it's not that weird that we'll get a move like this down. But yeah, that looks most likely right now, because if you zoom out, then you'll also see that this level right here around 6 cents is pretty strong. Like right now around 5.8 cents, there's also a 200 EMA. So that's also a strong resistance level, which is a little bit lower than that 6 cents level, but still it does function as resistance. So I think that 5th wave is made, and I think we're in the middle of some sort of an ABC correction right now. Like I said, there's quite a lot of support, and there's also a break retest off of the 0.618 fib at around 5.5, 5.6 cents. So I think that's going to be our first support, and then ultimately a correction down to 5.3 cents. Now, I must say that Hbar also, like the movement of Hbar also heavily relies on Bitcoin. All right, so if Bitcoin all of a sudden actually moves up to 30,800, which is a possibility, then we will probably still make that 5th wave a little bit higher, up to 6.5 cents. That's a possibility, all right? So that's something I'm still, like, right now, even though I'm saying that the 5th wave is over, it could actually still go even higher. It would be a little bit of a big 5th wave then, but it's a possibility. So we'll still have to wait for some sort of confirmation, I guess, by, I think, making that B wave. Then I think we can anticipate that C wave, and then from there we could start another impulse wave up to 6.5 and perhaps even 7 cents. But that's a little bit too far in the future, so I'll keep you updated on that. I'll keep you updated on Hbar if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.